Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Hannah, and today's video, so I'll be testing the new Makeup Revolution x Rachel Leary Goddess on the Go Face and Shadow palette and the Ultimate Goddess palette. So if you want to see what my thoughts are on these two, then please keep watching. Rachel Leary, congratulations girl. You came out of a lovely palette, or two palettes I should say. So this is the little press card right here. So I'm going to read out about the palettes. So we have Ultimate Goddess palette retails for £15 and the Goddess on the Glow palette retails for £10, which I think is reasonably priced. I quite like that. First of all, we have the Goddess on the Glow palette. This is what the packaging looks like. I really like it. It's more of like a matte vibe. I like it, Rachel. I like it, and her logo on there. And so this is the Goddess on the Glow. Inside, this is what the palette looks like. I really like it. I think obviously you can go ahead and watch her release video or like her launch video. So yeah, this is a really lovely palette. I really like it. I think the whole idea behind it is really good. So it says,
marking our first collaboration with the beauty YouTuber Rachel Leary, our golden goddess is a self-confessed makeup obsessive. If anyone knows the way to go, it's Rachel. Get her signature glow up with two gorgeous face and shadow palettes, Goddess on the Go and Ultimate Goddess. So she says, as my followers will know, glowy bronzy makeup is my go-to. It's my go-to as well, as you guys know. But I do love the occasional pop of colour. I always refer to the style of makeup I like as bronze to Goddess. My palettes are everything you need to create a bronze goddess look, containing the most gorgeous, complementary, easy-to-use colours and everything you need to create a goddess-like skin and eyes. So your go-to palette for the makeup on the go. This palette is perfectly sized to be with you at all times, in your handbag or on holiday. Contains one bronzer, one rose gold blush, one highlighter and one contour shade, plus 9 wearable warm tone eyeshadow.
We have the Ultimate Goddess palette, which looks like this. This one's a lot bigger. Mine's slightly broken, so I'm gonna have to be careful. This is what that palette looks like. I really like this as well. I think it's a gorgeous palette. This is probably what I'll use today, unless I'm not really too sure. I might try and mix and match between so I can give you an idea. Maybe use contour for one palette and eyeshadow from the other, just depending. But with this palette, the
Ultimate Goddess, it says this palette will go far, size up and take your makeup game to the next level. Contains 2 matte bronzers / contour shades, 1 shimmer bronzer, 3 blushes and 3 highlights, and 16 neutral and bright eyeshadows. The palettes are both cruelty free. They retail for £15 and £10. It launched 15th of May, so you can get it. You can get it on Revolution Beauty, Superdrug, Beauty Pay and ASOS. So yeah. And I'm guessing there's loads of other global stockists as well throughout the world, because I know Revolution ship worldwide, I think, or not everywhere, but most places.
Thinking I'm going to go for the contour and face side in this palette, and for eyeshadow I'm going to go in with this because there's more variety in this palette, so I can give you an idea for both. Okay, so first taking the shade Fantastic, and I'm just going to start to blend this all over the lid, acting as the transition shade that we always do. Then I'm going to grab the shade Fine Wine, and I'm going to start applying this to the lid, start to pack it on just before we start to deepen and define the colour more. Then going in with the shade 70% and packing that on, just doing the same thing over 3 times just to really deepen it up. Then going with the shade Dripping, which will be our shimmer shade, and packing that onto the lid. This packed on really lovely. All the shades blended absolutely beautifully. Then going back in with Fantastic, adding it to the lower lash line, and we're done. Okay, so the eyes have done. I know I've created a similar look before. I did struggle a slight bit with the palette. Not that because it wasn't blending or anything like that. The shades do, my palette broke. The shades do blend really well. I just think the colour payoff isn't something that I'm like, I'm ecstatic about. Like, it's lovely. The shades I really like. The shimmers are not amazing. Like, they're okay. Like, if you want more of a subtle shimmer, like, they're not going to come out like how, you know, for example, in Makeup Revolution's Reloaded palettes, the shimmers really pop and they're really metallic. Now, I haven't watched Rachel's video, so I don't know if she says they're not metallic. I don't know what she says, but I'm just giving off of my first impression. Like, I haven't watched any videos. Face part, we're going to move on to Goddess on the Glow, and the reason why is I think that this caramel slice colour here would probably suit me the best because I want more of a bronze. Now, the only thing I would say, and I'm looking into both palettes, like, obviously you could pick, like, if you're fairer skin tone and you want like a nicer contour shade, then maybe blonde would go really nice with fairer skin tones. If you're more of like a light medium, then maybe go for like caramel slice in the Goddess on the Glow. And then if you wanted something a little bit more warmer for maybe lights to still medium skin tones and indulge, I don't know how, see, that would be a good, see, even that would be a good bronzer for me. Now, I just wish This isn't any, like, I don't want hate on this video because I'm not hating on the palettes at all. I think they're really, really amazing. I just feel there could have been a deeper, like you made 2 palettes, could have been a deeper shade, because you're going to have loads of fans that are a deeper skin tone and they probably can't use it. So yeah, but you never know, it might work. I don't know personally. So I am going to go in the Goddess on the Go palette, this one right here, and I'm going to use the blushes, the highlighters, because these highlighters, Rachel, you're probably not watching this, is stunning. It's not even captured on camera, but these highlighters are stunning, and I hope they're popping, because when you see Rachel's face, like, it's gorgeous. It's sculpt, all of that. Caramel Slice, which is this colour right here. I'm not going to take too much because I don't know how pigmented it is. My face looks very bland right now, but hey ho. And I'm just going to go in and start to bronze my face up. Ooh, I think I put a little bit too much. Okay, so the bronzers are definitely pigmented. The bronzer has a slight like red undertone to it, which isn't that bad, but I like more of an orangey warm bronzer than anything. But it's nice. Actually, I do like that actually. Now that I'm looking at it, it looks nice on my skin. Now, I've never tried more of a red undertone for a blush. You do have to pick up a tiny bit, because there's a lot, like a tiny bit goes a long way, which is good, because you're not wasting your money, sort of thing. You're not going in loads of time. So definitely, I would say it's definitely pigmented. I do like it's blending really, really lovely. I think so far I'm preferring the face palette, like the face side, rather than the eyeshadow side, which is fine, because it's not always going to be fit for everyone. This eyeshadow palette might fit for you, but I like, you guys know I like the really bold colours, but this bronzer shade is really, really nice. It's not like my perfect shade, but I really like it. I think it will suit the look well. It's definitely, if you want like that bronze glow look, you're gonna get it 100%. Like, you can start to see it now. I'm definitely looking more myself. So this bronzer, Rachel, is gorgeous, so I'm happy with that. The lashes that I've gone in with though are the Ardell wispy lashes. I can't remember which one they are, but the one in a 4 or 5 pack, I can't remember. But yeah, I'm just going to do a little bit on my nose. It's not too harsh as well, like it's pigmented, but it's not like harsh. Do you know what I mean? So you can really work with it. It blends really, really lovely, really, really easy to blend. You literally just need a little bit. So it's definitely an on-the-go thing. Like, you could definitely, if you just want to like pop out quickly and you need a little bit of bronzer or a little bit of contour, this is definitely something really nice. Real Techniques brush, and I'm just going to go in and say Sunkissed. Now, Sunkissed is more of a shimmer blush than anything, but it's this shade right here. I'm just going to take a tap a little bit, because what I like that she's done with the shimmer blush is that the shimmer blush and a highlighter can actually mold in together. Oh, Rachel, this is gorgeous. Now, I am hyped over the blush, the face side. 100%. I would have been like ecstatic if this was a full face palette, like she made 2. Oh my god, this is so nice. Like, I wish one was eyeshadow, one was what's it called, one was like face. This could be a really good face palette. Now, I'd definitely use this on the go. This was something I'd take. If I couldn't take anything else, I'd take this. This is really, really nice. Yeah, I really, really like that. I think that's really, really nice. So that is a massive yes for me. The blush is gorgeous. I don't know if you guys can tell. Very subtle, but it has this glow to it. It's not like matte. I don't really like matte blushes, but this blush, I think it would be my new go-to. It's just really, really nice on the skin. It's not too like fluorescent, it's not really too pink. I really, really like it. I'm gonna spritz my brush, and I'm gonna take the both shades, Get It Popping and Golden Hour, which are these two. Just gonna go between the two. Again, this could probably fit a lot of skin tones. Like, I know people say, oh, you go on about skin tones a lot, but it matters. So I'm just gonna go in and let's see if this is popping. Ooh. Rachel. Love it, absolutely love it. I think that's gorgeous. Like that, the blush and the contour is giving me life. Like, it's literally giving me life. I keep looking at myself in the mirror because I'm like, wow. But this is literally giving me life. Like, it's so gorgeous, this highlighter. Both of them together are amazing. Let's just do Get It Popping on the top. Ooh, the base is just there. Like, I think even the eyeshadow, like the eyeshadow is really nice, don't get me wrong, I'm not hating on the eyeshadow, just I think if I was to go for anything, it would be the face palette. Like, if I was to be, what's my favourite, it'd probably be the face part. I want to see what it's like on the other palette, but this just looks bomb. Love it. Absolutely love it. Okay, so back, I've done the rest of my face. All it is done. So I am really liking the two palettes, the Goddess on the Glow and the Ultimate Goddess palette, I can't remember. Yeah, I really do like it. I would love to try the face palette on the Ultimate Goddess and the eyeshadow palette on the Goddess on the Glow. I do really like the whole, this little vibe right here is calling me, so I might do a little cheeky Instagram look with it. I'll let you guys know. But yeah, do you know what? I really like it. I think the face palette is, like, the face side of the palette is definitely like a 10 out of 10. Like, it's definitely the Golden Goddess look. And the eyeshadows in the Ultimate Goddess, I haven't tried all of them, so I can't give you my idea, but I think I'm not like crazy fan over them. I think they're okay. I'd give them maybe a 6 out of 10, but they're not like, wow. Like, I'm not going to say, oh my God, the Ultimate Goddess palette eyeshadows are insane. If someone asked me, I would say, yeah, they're pretty good. Like, they could be better. And I haven't tried all of them. They're very like, this, the eyeshadow shimmers are very like, cool, like, what's the right word I should say? They're not like crazy pigmented, and same with the eyeshadows, the matte shades, but they're very blendable. They're like, the orange shade's beautiful. The shades do blend really lovely together, so you do get that. It's very easy to work with if you're a beginner, which is another plus. But the highlight's gorgeous, the blush is gorgeous, which I don't really say because I don't really wear blush, but do you know what? Well done you, Rachel. You should be proud of yourself. It's a beautiful two palettes. You go, girl. Like, honestly, the Goddess Queen, congratulations. You can so deserve this. You're amazing, and I'm sending all my love and support your way. So yeah, I would recommend getting the palettes. If I was to say anything, I would say this bad boy right here, because most people go on the go. If you don't want something huge and too bulky, then this one right here would be for you. This is the one I prefer, honestly. I love both of them. Really like both of them, but if I was to choose, I'd say Goddess on the Glow is my Goddess on the Go is probably my pick. So hopefully I'll be doing another like little palette thing on my Instagram, or I'll be doing an eyeshadow look, because these shadows are calling my name. Like, the shimmers just look divine. Like, the formulation looks a little bit different on the both, maybe because goldens and pinks come out better in shimmers. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, let me know your thoughts on it. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a massive thumbs up. Let me know what your thoughts are, if you've tried the palette, if you're going to get it, if you're not going to get it, why you're not going to get it. So yeah, please let me know your thoughts. I'd love to have a little chit chat with you. Also, please follow my Instagram, which is at hanstluce. I'm always active on there. I post once a day. I'm always active on my stories. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a massive thumbs up. I love you all, and I shall see you in my next video. Bye.